What's up guys, today I'm going to show you how to play GameBoy Advance on your iPhone, iPod Touch, or iPad. Now to do this, you need 4 items. First, you need a jailbroken iPhone, iPod Touch, or iPad, which is very simple to do now thanks to jailbreakme.com. And if you don't know, just go to jailbreakme.com. Actually, I'll just do it right now. There you are. This is jailbreakme.com. Slide to jailbreak. It's not going to ask you this message if it's the first time you're doing this. Anyways, I'm just going to hit jailbreak. Ta-da! It's jailbroken. Just give it a minute and it'll be done. When it's finished, this is a message you should get. Just hit OK. Go home. And there you go. There's Cydia. Once you're jailbroken, simple as that. Go into Cydia. The first thing you're going to want to add is the actual emulator itself. It's the GameBoy Advance emulator. Go to search, and I don't know how it got this funky name, but it's called Gpsphone. Once you've installed Gpsphone, you're going to need to add a source. Go down to Manage, go to Sources, go up to Edit, hit Add. Type in whatever I tell you to type in, or whoever tells you to type it in, and then hit add source, and then it'll add the actual source. The source you're going to add right now is called apt123locker.com. Once you've added that source, that'll give you 2 things. It'll give you ROMs for one, which are the games that you play and stuff like that. And for 2, it'll give you the BIOS file, which you need to run any GBA emulator of any kind, anywhere, on a computer, on an iPhone, on a BlackBerry, on a PSP, anything, you need a BIOS file. Anyways, I'm going to go in here, and this is the actual packages that it comes with. And the first thing you're going to install is the BIOS file, and it even says required. Tap on BIOS file, hit install, hit confirm, and let that run for a second. Once that's done and downloaded, now comes part of the fun part. First part of the fun part is make sure you have full bars of Wi-Fi. If you're using your neighbor's Wi-Fi, forget about it. I don't know about you, but I'm gonna sound like a nerd here, but out of all the Game Boy Advance games, I prefer the Pokemon games. So I'm going to go down to ROM pack. It says P through blah blah blah. And whenever you tap on here, it'll probably, yeah, here's the games that it says it includes. Anyways, go up here, hit install. And here's what I mean by full bars of Wi-Fi. Go ahead and let that install. That's going to take a while. Taking a while is completely normal for this. It's a lot of stuff to download. And anyways, just let that run. Okay, there you go. Now that everything is installed, hit back to, or return to Cydia, hit home, and you should have a Game Boy Advance, or it says Gpsphone, and enter that, and there you go. Now I'm gonna since I don't have to go through all the beginning steps of all the other ones, I'm gonna do the pinball one. I'm gonna do portrait and sound. There you go. Anyways, you guys get the point. You can save your game, you can add cheat codes, you can do whatever you want. If you guys want more tutorials like this, just comment below. If you're having any issues with this, I'm sure I can help you out. And for those of you that are new to the jailbreaking scene, if you ever have a bricked device, bricked as in broken, like it just doesn't work, something's wrong, it's a little glitchy, plug it into iTunes, give it a second, and then whenever iTunes recognizes it, just click on restore. It'll delete everything off of your phone or iPod or whatever, but you'll have a working device again. Anyways, that's it for me, guys. I'll see you all later. Peace.